You have a genuine relationship. You have the marriage certificate, you have hundreds of photos together. But if you make one of these 5 innocent mistakes, the Australian Department of Home Affairs will still refuse your partner visa. You will lose your government fee of nearly $12,000 in 2026, and worse, you could be separated from your partner for years. And the scariest part, mistake number 4 is something almost every couple does without even realising it. I'm Jeff Harvie, registered migration agent at Down Under Visa in the Philippines. Let's make sure your visa gets approved and not refused. Mistake number 1. Thinking love is enough. Couples often submit hundreds of pages of WhatsApp chats and folder full of selfies, and they stop there. But immigration case officers are not looking for a romance novel. They are looking for a shared life. The department assesses your relationship across 4 strict pillars: financial, household, social and commitment. If you are a Filipino applicant and an Australian sponsor, you need to prove financial interdependence. Where are the remittance receipts? Where is the evidence of how you support each other? If you only submit photos and text messages, your application is incredibly weak. You must provide hard, documented evidence across all 4 pillars. Mistake number 2. Your dates don't match. Case officers are trained investigators. They will cross-reference the dates on your application forms with your relationship statements, and yes, they will even check your social media. Now, if your statements say you became a committed couple in June, but your Facebook status didn't change until December, or your sponsor was listed as single on a visa application during that time, that is a massive red flag. Inconsistencies equal doubt, and in the immigration world, doubt equals refusal. Before you submit anything, you and your partner must sit down and agree on the exact timeline of your relationship, down to the month. Mistake number 3, using fake or fixed documents. In the Philippines, it can be tempting to use a fixer to speed up an annulment, get a late registered birth certificate, or bypass a bureaucratic delay. Do not do it. If the Department of Home Affairs catches a fraudulent document, even if you didn't know the fixer faked it, you will trigger what is called PIC 4020 refusal. This is a devastating penalty. It means your visa is refused for providing false and misleading information. You will be banned from applying for any achievable Australian visa for 3 years. Do it by the book, no matter what or how long it takes. Mistake number 4. This is one that catches so many honest people off guard. Failing to disclose a minor ancient criminal history. Now, maybe you had a minor barangay dispute 10 years ago, maybe bouncing check issue that was settled out of court, or maybe the sponsor had an old assault charge 10 plus years ago. You think, it was so long ago it doesn't matter, I'll just leave it off the form because it's embarrassing. When your NBI clearance comes back with a hit or an old record surfaces, immigration doesn't just see that as a minor offence. They see that you lied on a government form. Again, this triggers a PIC 4020 refusal for deception. The cover-up is always punished worse than the crime. If you have any history, declare it up front, explain it and face it head on. Now, mistake number 5, taking advice from a ghost. An unregistered agent, a travel agent, well-meaning people in a Facebook group, or Filipino aunties are not legally accountable for your application. If they give you the wrong advice or you fill out a form incorrectly, they disappear. You are the one left holding the refusal letter. And I have to say something about AI. You can all use AI for anything. You could ask AI how to do brain surgery, it would walk you through it. But would you? AI is helpful if used by somebody who knows the nuts and bolts of the topic and has years of experience. Otherwise, can be more dangerous than any Facebook amateur expert. I sometimes ask AI questions to test it out, and on half the questions its responses are between flawed and downright false. Just don't. Only a registered migration agent regulated by the Australian government MARA, is bound by a strict code of conduct to protect your interests. Partner visas are heavily scrutinised and the rules change constantly. You don't want to gamble your future with your partner on an innocent mistake. At Down Under Visa, we manage everything from the Philippines bureaucracy to the strict Australian legal requirements, so you don't have to. If you want peace of mind and the highest chance of success, contact us today for a free assessment. Let's bring you and your partner to Australia together the right way. Subscribe to the channel for more expert advice, and I'll see you in the next video.